So here we have the Vauxhall Mokka on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. So we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the digital readout for the speedometer in the centre. On the right-hand side, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. And we have trip computer information in the middle, as you can see. Down in the very bottom left, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 9,471, so low mileage for the car's age. If we back out to the steering wheel next, on the left-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter. This car also has this button here. So after you set cruise control, hit this button. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. We have stereo and phone controls, the plus and minus pedals so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then over in the center, the main touchscreen for the car, which includes, as you can see, satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how the sat-nav works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. When it comes to audio, we've got DAB radio, as you can see. We've got AM as well, and FM. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. There's a number of ways of doing that. You can use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, once you paired your phone, of course. And that's just done by following the instructions on here and on your phone screen. Also, this car has got a full color reversing camera, as you can see, with guidelines that show you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image shown on the screen as well. Working our way down from that, we have our dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the driver and passenger temperatures. They will show up on the screen just here. You can increase and decrease the fan speed as well. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so that's off, back on again, or you can hit auto. The car, as you can hear, will now take full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. You can override that manually whenever you wish to. We've got a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings and the same for the passenger side as well. Plenty of storage down here. We have our child locks. We can turn our parking sensors on and off. We can turn off our interior alarm. We can turn on and off the lane departure warning system. We can also turn off our stop and start from here as well. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. A system is turned off when that light shows. Just here you can select the gear for the car. We're in park at the moment, of course, so you've got drive, reverse, neutral as well. Press that button to put it into the manual mode so that you can use the paddles up on the steering wheel, and then this button to put it back into park. You can also change the gearbox mode so that it's in sport if you wish to do that, and we have an electronic handbrake as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.